Hey, fellow adventurers and entrepreneurs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we're coming at you from the beautiful state of Utah. We're taking a quick stop today, talking all about BuilderAll and what exactly BuilderAll is and why you as an entrepreneur need to check it out. Here we go. Let's hit the rewind button a little bit. BuilderAll was discovered back in 2011. It's a one-stop shop for entrepreneurs. Every tool that you need to build your business is right here. It was built on the vision of bringing an entrepreneur into every home. And I truly believe that that is an amazing thing. One of the reasons why I love this platform. So let's take a further look. Over the years, BuilderAll's turbocharged its features with more than 30 tools for the entrepreneur to build a business. So whether you're online and building a YouTube channel, and need an email list, BuilderAll is the place for you. You're a coach or a course creator, you've got it. BuilderAll is the place for you. Or maybe you don't know what you want to do, but have an idea that the digital landscape is the place for you. Yes, BuilderAll is the place for you. You've got funnels and templates to get you started. You've got shopping cart and you've got membership sites. Everything that you could imagine is inside BuilderAll. One place, no integrations, no special tech skills needed. And if you're wondering about real-world results, BuilderAll has helped more than 500,000 users, built more than 1 million websites, and is in more than 100 countries. Pretty impressive, if you ask me. It truly is the place for every single entrepreneur. Thinking about costs, BuilderAll is built on a 4-tier system. It will grow with you wherever you are in your business season, from the beginner plan all the way up to the enterprise plan. BuilderAll is the platform for you. And if you're wondering, I'm an affiliate, and if you use my special affiliate link in the show descriptions, there just may be some special bonuses included for you. As the sun sets here in Utah, I'm reminded of the vast opportunities the online world offers. BuilderAll could be the tool that harnesses it for you. So if you're intrigued, hop on and give it a whirl. I've even got a special link where you can check it out for 14 days at no cost to you. And if you've tried it, let me know in the comments. I'd like to know what you think. Until our next digital pit stop, be sure to like and comment and keep on adventuring online and offline. Let's build something amazing together. See you soon. Bye.